Hi all, welcome to the series of interview questions front end. So today we will be seeing yet another question in TypeScript. So it is a simple question. You know what is the interface. So what is meant by interface in TypeScript? To the interface, do we have something called interface in JavaScript? That's the question now. So interface, you know, it is a structure which acts as a contract. Once you implement the interface, you need to implement all the methods, properties which is set in the interface. So it gives a basic contract. Okay, let me see show you interface in JavaScript. So this is the interface, right? Sorry. So this is the interface, right? So I am created an interface ABC, which has two uh, two variables. Okay, and you can also have objects, whatever you want. You can have it here. It can also be a function. Okay, okay. It can have a function. It may have it may also have another object. Okay, so you can also make it optional if you want by adding a question mark here. That is also possible. Okay, now if I'm creating an object of this type ABC, for that I have to put colon ABC. It means it should have A, B and C. It should have only B because other two are optional. So this is mandatory, but without this it will throw error. You see, it will throw error. Okay, because B is okay. So it is saying that BS does not is not available in ABC. Okay, so this is it, and you can also implement create a class which implements this interface. In that case, it should have A, B, and C. If you don't, if you make this as not a optional, it will throw here saying that C is missing. So you can actually make it create the automatic code like this also. Okay, so in this case it has created a function for you, right? It has not created a function, it has just created a variable. You can actually define it, can be a function, just as a empty function. Void is not assignable. So this means this return void. So I have to make sure this function returns a void. That's was the error we were getting. So hope this is clear, right? Interface is nothing but a structure. It is just a contract. When we when we use the interface, you have to make sure all the properties or methods you have mentioned are defined in your class or object. Okay. Other coming to the other point, whether this interface is available in JavaScript, whether you have something like an interface data type in JavaScript. No, it is not there. It is available only in TypeScript. You have to understand. I will show you. Okay, let me. I have just gone to that path. If I do sample compile it to a JS file, you can see that the interface will be gone. So it is just for development. You have to understand. Interface, we don't have a similar thing in JavaScript. It is just for development. We have a error here. Okay. So once I compile to JS, maybe we will see it in JS whether that interface is there or not. Now the sample.js should be available here. So you check in the JS file. you'll have nothing like an interface. So that the interface data type is only available in TS, so that it is only for a developer, so that you can actually define a contract for your class or object. Okay, hope this is clear. Thank you guys.